Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I set up my microphone for my Canon G7X Mark II camera. I just got this camera finally because I do plan on taking filming a lot more serious. I'm not really going into vlogging specifically, but I do plan on taking my YouTube a lot more serious, upgrading my content, especially now that I am actually monetized. This is the camera right here. It is such a cute camera. I'm so excited. I'm filming on my phone right now, so I will show you guys a clip of what it sounds like with the camera itself. So the microphone came in a box like this. I did get this from Amazon, so this is what it looks like. I've opened everything already, so that's why it looks like this. So again, this came with only the microphone itself. I had to buy this wire separately, and this is the audio wire and then the USB wire for the camera itself. I did watch another video of another guy, I think, that did this video, but he didn't really explain that you had to order this separately because it doesn't come with the microphone. So in this video, I'm literally going to make sure to link everything down in the description box below so that you can get the right equipments that you're going to need. And everything came in the box. You're not really going to need a lot of stuff, honestly. Also came with this additional piece. I had to get the USB because this doesn't fit in the Canon camera. I'm sure you guys probably would already know that if you do have the camera. On the side here, it has the regular USB and then it has the HDMI cable slot right there. This piece is not going to fit with the camera, and that's why I had to order this separately. It's pretty affordable. I don't think you're gonna spend more than $70, honestly. This was about $25. Microphone itself was $40. But you can get a used one for half the price, $20. This wire was probably $10. Also does come with this little tool right here, which we're going to use to connect the camera. So first things first, this is the piece that you're going to need to be able to attach the microphone. This piece right here. Okay, you're gonna have to attach this on the side. In order to do that, we're gonna go ahead and screw this piece onto the camera. So I'm gonna take my camera, and then as you can see right here, it fits perfectly. I will say though, it does fit better without the cover. I'm gonna try and see if it fits with the cover. I'm gonna take off the cover. Now the cover is off, so I have just the camera by itself. This is what it's gonna look like. The screw is right there, so and then the screw fits into the this silver part right here. And then this piece is for your tripod. So that's on now. So as you can see, it has a part connected to it, so it fits perfectly. And then here we'll have the space to put the microphone slot. Now I'm pretty much just gonna go in with the microphone. I do personally like the smaller one, so it has this and then it also has the bigger one. I separated the two. I wanna make sure to show you guys the sound without and with. Take this and then connect it. So again, you can face it whatever way that you want, depending on how you plan to use the camera to vlog. This camera does go up like this. It's really up to you whether you wanna have the microphone facing this way or if you want to have it facing the other way. It's really up to you, but I think I'm going to face it this way towards me and then tighten it right here. So now it's fully secure. This is what we're dealing with so far. This is what we're working with. And now we're going to go in with the wires. So on the back side right here, we have the audio jack. So using this piece right here, just going to use that and connect it to the back piece. And so now that's connected. And then the next thing we're gonna do is to connect this to this USB jack right here that I showed you guys before. So taking this and then fitting it in there. It does look a little bit more clumsy because the wires are super long. The original wire did come with like a spring or like a elastic thing that draws the wire back. but because I ordered this separately, it looks a little bit more clumsy. So I do have to figure out a way to kind of tie this together and just hold these wires so it doesn't look as clumsy. But as you can see, it does look pretty clumsy. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna test the sound. I'm gonna try and turn this on. Again, I told you guys earlier that I am filming on my phone. So this is my phone setup right now. And I'm doing that because I wanted to make sure I can actually show you guys what it's going to sound like. The camera's on, so I'm just gonna switch it to recording mode or film mode, which it's on right now. And so I'm gonna go ahead and film pretty much. And then hopefully this should make it a little bit easier. See, this is the setup currently. We have the microphone, the camera's on, we are ready to go. And once I've done the tester without this here, I'm gonna try it with this and see if there is a difference. And then I'll do the, I guess, overlay with this clip onto this video so that you guys can hear how it sounds. So record right here. Okay, so it's currently on and it's currently recording. This is what it sounds like without this piece right here. So this is pretty much sound with the microphone. As you can hear, it sounds very, very crisp and it sounds really good. This is most likely what my YouTube videos are going to be looking and sounding like in the future. So if you like what this sounds like, yeah, make sure to get the microphone. I am going to add this piece on here just so that we can see and kind of test. I'm hitting on it here to see if there is a difference with the microphone, with this connected. Now it's connected. As you can see on there, it's connected. And this piece here looks really big. I might actually change it and get another one. It's doing a tester, quick tester. I'm coming close so that you can hear the difference up close versus further away. But this is the camera setup. So again, it looks really, really good. I'm super excited to record my videos now with this new setup. Other than that, this is the sound, and I'm actually going to test the sound kind of walking around the apartment. I am taking you guys with me around my apartment. I just want you to be able to hear the sound from different places. And I'm also going to open the door so that we can hear the sound outside as well. I do think it's important to get a sound check from outside. So this is the sound from outside. This is what it sounds like. I don't really know if it's picking up on the sound specifically, but this is the outside sound. So that was the sound outside, just taking you guys with me outside to see what it sounds like. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming for you guys, and I will make sure to link everything down in the description box down below so that you can check it out and purchase it for yourself. And as always, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.